Good evening. It is yet another session of the weather report where I bring you the latest updates from the weather center. Well, lately I can say that we've had a maintenance of wet weather activities across most areas within our country. For today we had a slight reduction, and by 9 o'clock this morning we had Tororo reporting the highest amount of rainfall of about 19.4 millimeters. We also had Kampala having the lowest amount of 0.3 millimeters. Let's take a look at our satellite images. Well, in the morning, we had lots of cloud cover across the Lake Victoria Basin with light showers developing over a few places. And the rest of the country, we had mostly cloudy conditions, keeping things a little bit cooler for most areas. Later in the afternoon, we had light showers across the western sector, parts of the north, as well as eastern Uganda. The rest of the country, we had partly cloudy conditions. Let's move on to the image taken over Africa. It shows that the storm-bearing clouds are still scattered across the central part of Africa, and actually that's why we have reduced wet weather activities. Well, Monday morning, as you head back to work, we're forecasting light showers that will be across the Lake Victoria Basin, extending up to eastern Uganda, and the rest of the country will have a mix of clouds and sunshine. Later in the afternoon, we're likely to have light showers across most areas within our country, though we're forecasting sunny intervals across the Lake Victoria Basin, parts of central, as well as the Karamoja region, and we'll have temperatures rising up to 30 for central Uganda and also for the Karamoja region. For the Lake Victoria Basin, including the nation's capital Kampala, we'll have temperatures going up to 28. We're forecasting a daytime high of about 24 for Kabale Highlands, and the rest of the country will have temperatures in higher 20s. Let's now move on to some of the world cities where we're forecasting thunder showers that will be across Rio de Janeiro, for Lagos as well as Johannesburg. And for Moscow, we're still forecasting snow because of the northern winter. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler at about 6 degrees Celsius. We're likely to have light showers for New Delhi as well as Sydney and Washington. We will have a daytime high of about 16 degrees Celsius. Thank you very much for joining me. That's all from the Weather Center for now. My name is Marlene Kenyana. Have a good day tomorrow.